Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today coloring alphabets and numbers. Kids colors name red color, yellow color, blue color, black color, green color, white color. Kids now coloring ABC and 1 to 3. Kids, first draw A. A for apple, A for aeroplane. The alphabets of A. Small a. B. B for ball, B for bat. The alphabets of B. Small b. C. C for cat, C for car. The alphabets of C. Small c. Kids again use red color and draw D. D for dog, D for doll. The alphabets of D. Small d. Kids now draw E. E for egg, E for elephant. The alphabets of E. And here is yellow color, small e. F. F for fish, F for fan. The alphabets of F. Small f. Kids again use yellow color and draw G. G for goat, G for grapes. The alphabets of G. Small g. Kids now draw H. H for hand, H for helicopter. The alphabets of H. And use blue color, I. I for ice, I for ice cream. Small I. J. J for joker, J for jackfruit. Small j. K. K for kite, K for king. Small k. It's neither L. L for lion, L for lemon. And use black color, small l. M. M for moon, M for mango. The alphabets of M. Small m. Kids again use black color and draw N. N for nose, N for nest. Small n. Kids now draw numbers. And first draw 1. The numbers of 1. Black colors. O N E 1 2 T W 2 3 T H R W 3 4 F O U R 4 5 F I V E 5 6 S I X 6 7 S E V E and 7 8 E I G H D 8 9 N I N E 9 10 T E and 10 11 the numbers of 11 12 the numbers of 12 13 the numbers of 13 14 the last digit of 14 Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.